Crackles and Gafa.
G'day guys, it is Valentine's Day, Monday Grumpy.
Monday Grumpy, and we're turning him into Happy Humpy.
It's time, Gav.
It's time for the winner to be announced.
Yes, the tallies have been made. No one decided to call in to help the crack out.
No, but it's
apart from Beardy. Angry Beard! Thank you, mate. Thanks. Not so angry. Nice fella.
Not so much thanks from me, actually.
You still won, Jeff.
That's
what are you
true.
complaining about?
I wanted to win by more votes.
Well, it's decided. Jeff's one vote up Valentine, and that means I'm going to be eating a rose.
Yep.
A raw rose here in the studio.
Just for the listeners, I'm waving it in front of his nose.
It's a big one. I don't know if I like it.
Okay.
He's handing it over.
Passing him the rose. It's from me. Happy Valentine's Day, Crackles.
Oh, thank you.
Crackles and Gafa.
Okay, just checking. Just want to make sure there's no bugs, because there's nothing worse than extra protein with the rose.
That's a part of the rose.
Now, I have prepped myself a lot by watching a lot of Grills episodes, Bear Grylls episodes. So this is all new to me, but I feel like I can mentally take this on, Jeff.
Yep, I can definitely see you doing a good job of it.
Okay, well, I think it's time. I just got to do it, I think. I think it's like jumping from a bungee rope.
You just got to jump.
Don't think, just jump.
1, 2, 3, eat it.
Oh, man.
Oh, how is it? It
Whoa! At first, it's like bland, and you're like, this is easy.
Then the rose hits you.
Oh, man, this is really sour.
Is it?
Oh, maybe it's bitter as well.
Maybe it's too early. We picked it.
Oh. Do I need another one?
I'm loving every minute of this. Did you hear?
That's foul.
Crackles is going to lose his voice now. He's going to ruin his vocal cords.
Man.
Okay.
You can taste the pollen.
Okay, you've had.
I feel like a bee. Oh, that's really. That's bitter as.
You've finished it now. That's good.
That it?
Yeah, that's all. That's good.
Oh my god. Jeff wins, and I don't feel very good. I hope these aren't poisonous, Jeff. This is going to suck if it is poisonous.
I don't know. We might have to get.
It's been nice knowing everyone.
He enjoyed
it's
it.
only the second episode, and already you might already just be one presenter down.
Might just be the Gaffer show.
I've seen the bird.
The after effects eating the Valentine's Day present I gave him.
Don't eat roses, kids.
Just keep walking around, Craig. It'll make your digestive system work.
Shit. I'm gonna stab myself with this thimble to hopefully. Ooh.
Yeah, if you stab yourself with a pin, it'll take away the effects.
Yeah, sure does.